Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to put a link in your TikTok bio. Firstly, you need to be using a business account, not a personal one. Go to your TikTok profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy, then select Account. Then tap Switch to Business Account. Follow the prompts and pick the most appropriate category for your account. Once you've switched it to business account, tap Edit Profile on your profile page. Scroll down and find the website field and enter your preferred link, your website, online store or portfolio. Then save your changes. Your link will now appear publicly on your profile of TikTok. If you have under 1,000 followers, TikTok may ask you to register your business before allowing you to add a link. You'll need to provide a legal business name, business address, and business license ID. Currently, business registration for link access is only available in certain countries. Just check TikTok's official list for availability. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.